as its not unexpected names firebush, hummingbird bush, and firecracker bush infer. Hamelia patens put on a spectacular display of orange to red groups of tubular blossoms that sprout from spring to fall. An admirer of warm weather, firebush is native to the tropical locales of southern Florida, southern Texas, Central America, South America, and the West Indies, where it can develop as a semi-evergreen rather tall and wide. Yet, what on the off chance that you don't live in these districts? Can you develop firebush in a pot instead? Indeed, in cooler, non-tropical locations, firebush can be grown as an annual or container plant. Read on to learn some care tips for pruned firebush plants. Growing firebush in a container. In the landscape, the nectar-laden sprouts of firebush bushes attract hummingbirds, butterflies, and other pollinators. At the point when these sprouts fade, the bush produces shiny, red to black berries that attract a variety of larks. They are famed for being incredibly disease and bug-free. Firebush bushes also withstand the midsummer heat and dry season that causes most landscape plants to save energy and shrivel or die back. In autumn, as temperatures begin to plunge, the foliage of firebush blushes, putting on one final seasonal display. Regardless of whether you have space for a large firebush in the landscape or don't reside in a locale where firebush is hardy, you can in any case partake in all the beautiful features it has to propose by growing pruned firebush plants. Firebush bushes will develop and blossom well in large pots with a lot of drainage openings and a well-draining potting blend. Carrying container-grown firebush. Firebush plants can fill in full sun to nearly full shade. Nonetheless, for the best display of sprouts, it is suggested that firebush bushes get about 8 hours of sun each day.